Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. So as you can see, we ran into a little challenge. The flux capacitor went out. Yeah, I know, sucks, right? And since it's not getting the proper 1.21 gigawatts like it's supposed to, it's not working. So I gotta wait until Doc comes out and takes a look at it. But in the meantime, since we don't find excuses and we find a way, we gotta make it work with what we got. So today, let's see what we got. I got some mesquite smoked turkey and some applewood honey ham. Let's go ahead and make some clubs. All right, first thing we gotta do is get some bacon on a sheet pan. As you can see right there. Got the oven set at 350. We're gonna take this bacon. We're gonna drop it in the oven. We're gonna let that cook off. While that's hanging out, I got some green leaf lettuce and a tomato. We're gonna wash this up, trim it up real nice. We're gonna slice down this tomato, add a little salt and pepper to it, you already know. All right, check me out. I got that green leaf lettuce all washed up. I got that tomato sliced down. We got some of that salt and black pepper we're gonna put on there. I got some Miracle Whip. We're gonna slather on this bread. The bread that I got is this Nature's Own perfectly crafted thick sliced white bread. When I make a club, I like it to be thick, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna look real nice. And then we got that bacon cooked off. You see it. And then we got some Gouda cheese and some provolone cheese with that ham and turkey. We're gonna take all these ingredients and we're gonna put them together. Gonna drop this turkey on there. Gonna drop that Gouda down. Ham right on top. You're gonna take that other slice, put it on top. I'll put some more Miracle Whip on top. We're gonna take our provolone, drop that down, and put this green leaf lettuce right there. I'm gonna take some of that tomato, put that on top. I like my Gouda cheese, so I'm putting that right there. Then I'm gonna put that bacon, sitting sexy. All right, I took that last slice, put that on top. As you can see, looking delicious. All right, so we got these skewers, right? Normally for a smaller sandwich, they use toothpicks, but we can't do that for this sandwich. So we're gonna put that through right there. Oh shit. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. And then you're gonna take your knife and you're gonna slice right here and slice right here and get your wedge sandwiches. Your club sandwiches. Ooh! Check out that club sandwich. Looking real good. You know I'm about to get a bite. Hold on one second. You know we gotta get a bite. You know what I'm talking about? Let's see, right there. Remember, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let's go ahead and get a bite. Yeah, buddy.
Stay tuned.